Good morning again. Thanksgiving Day. Here are the horses I spoke of. Aren't they beauteous? Oh, this one's looking at me. Is he gonna come over? No, he's not interested. They're just wanting to graze. But aren't they beautiful? I love to see horses. I was hoping to see turkeys this morning, wild turkeys here in Florida. And they like to be on the highway, but I didn't see any on the way here. There's a little highway to get here. But here are the grazing, beautiful, dark brown chestnut horses. All right, I am Nancy the Nature Girl. Get out in it. And do you hear the doggy barking in the background? Uh-huh. All right. Over and out.